approaching into San Francisco from the north. The Golden Gate Bridge is sheathed in clouds nicely today. It's just going to be a beautiful sight here as we go across the bridge into San Francisco. San Francisco across the bay. Tons of people doing a walk across the bridge today. Ride. Nice, beautiful sight today.
In half a mile at exit number 438 for 19th Avenue, take the ramp right.
And we're in the Richmond district of San Francisco here. Just driving down the road to get to lunch with Eugene. Hello everyone, this is Don, and we have Eugene driving the Tesla here for the first time. It's his first electric car, and he's having a good time. What are your thoughts there, Eugene?
I'm having a great time. It definitely is taking a little bit of getting used to, but it's so smooth, and like the interface of this is really gorgeous. It really just makes a lot of sense. I'm still a little bit nervous, but I'm having fun.
And we're just driving down. What's the name of the road again?
This is Great Highway. So we're
Great
driving on the western side of
San Francisco. 4:20 p.m. and I'm heading down to pick up Bernadette from the San Francisco airport after having a great afternoon with Eugene Kim in San Francisco. Gorgeous day here in San Francisco.
In half a mile, turn right onto Bryant Street. Good morning, it's Tuesday the 29th of May, and we are here in Fremont, California to take a tour of the Tesla factory. Of course, we won't be able to take any video or photos inside, but this is where Lenny was built, and this is where all other Model 3s, Model X's, and Model S's are built as well, at least as of right now. It's a beautiful day here in Fremont. Bernadette is here with me. We're just about to start our little journey down to LA.